Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by planning your journey using the Operator app or National Travel Planner. Enter your start address and destination to get timetables and route options. Check for disruptions or engineering works up to 7 days in advance. Note peak and off-peak fares. Typical urban fares are £1, 50 to £3, 00. Decide whether to use contactless, mobile ticket, or an advance paper pass. Save a screenshot of your ticket, or note the departure stop code for quick. Arrive at your chosen stop at least 5 minutes before the scheduled departure. Stand on the pavement behind the yellow safety line and wait in view. Check the timetable display or digital sign for real-time arrivals and platform codes. When the bus approaches, signal clearly to the driver by raising your arm. Have your ticket ready or your contactless card held flat against the reader. If you need space for a wheelchair or pushchair, tell the driver as you board. Board using the front door and greet the driver briefly if they are present. Touch your contactless card once on the reader or show your mobile ticket. Daily caps often apply. In many cities, caps are roughly £5 to £7. If paying cash, have the exact fare ready because drivers rarely give change. Hold on to handrails and sit in priority seats only if eligible or needed. Press the stop bell at least one stop before your destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.